Good morning, children. Let's start exercise 2.5. First question is, which is greater? Here is 0.5 or 0.05. Here 0.5 is greater or 0.05 is greater. So first we will do change into simple fractions. Here is point after is one digit, so I write here 5/10. Or here point after two digits, so I write 5/100. Here also 5, here also 5, and both denominators is different. So first I convert in like fractions. Here is 10, so I multiply here 5/10 into 10 into 10 is equal to 50/100. Here is 5/2, I multiply by 10, so both denominators are same. So here suppose I multiply by 10. So 5 into 10, 50/100, and here is 5/100. So 0.5 is greater than 0.05. We solve other example. Here 7 and 0.7. Here is 7 is small. Is 7, or here 7/10. Here is 10 is not given, so I multiply here 7/10 like this way. 7 multiply 10/10 is equal to 70/10. Here is 7/10 and here is 70/10. So 7 is greater than 0.7. Here 1.37. After point, how many digits? 2 digits. So 137/100 or 149/100. See here denominators. Here also 100 and here also 100. So don't need to multiply by any number, and it is simple. 137 is smaller and 149 is bigger. So here 149 is greater than 137/100. Now question 2. Express is rupees using decimal. Here is 7 paisa is given. 7 paisa is given. So 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. So 7 paisa is equal to how much? So 7 divided by 100 is equal to 0.07. See, point after 2 digit because here is 100, so we write in such way. Here 77 rupees means full 77 rupees. 77 paise. 77 paise it means 77/100. So we write in this way 77. Point after 2 digit 77. 77 paises in 77 rupees. 0.77. Write in decimal form in this way. Again 2.35 paise. 1 rupee. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So 235 paise is equal to how much? 235/100. Point after 2 digits. So 235. We write in such way. Here express 5 centimeter in meter and kilometer. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So 5 centimeter is equal to how many meter? 5 divided by 100, 0.05 meter. Then kilometer. So 1 lakh centimeter. 1 lakh means 50. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 50 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. We have 5 centimeter is equal to how much? So 5 upon 1 lakh. So 50. 1, 2, 3, 4 and see after point 5 digit 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we write 0.00005. Now second express 35 millimeter in centimeter. 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. So 35 millimeter is equal to how much? 35 divided by 100 is equal to 0.35. Sorry, here is 10. Here is 10. So 3.5 centimeter. Then kilometer. Millimeter convert into kilometer. It means 10 lakh. Not 1 lakh but 10 lakh. 60. 10 lakh means 60. Millimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. Here is 35 millimeter is equal to how much? So 35. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It means 10 lakh. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So point after 6 digit. Here 2 digit is given. So we write 40 there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 35. It is kilometer. Number 4 express in kg. First number is given 200 gram. We know 100,000 gram is equal to 1 kg. I repeat, 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. So 200 gram is equal to how much? 200 upon 1000, 0 cut. 2 upon 10 is equal to 0.20. Point after 1 digit because here is 10. Here is 4 kg and 8 gram. 4 kg full. 8 gram. Gram it means 1000. 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. So full 1 kg 8 upon 1000. So we write 4.008. Point after 3 digit because here is 30. Next question. Write the following decimal number in expanded form. Here is 20.03. See, 20 it means it is 10 place. So 2 into 10. 0 on 1 place. So 0 into 1. Plus this 0. 0 means point after first 0. Means point after first means 10. 1 upon 10. 3 plus 3 into 1 upon 100 because after point second digit. So 1 upon 100. Write the place value of 2 in following decimal number. See, 2.56. 2 on 1's place, so 1's. 2 on 10th place, so 10's. 2 on 10th place. Here point after first digit, it means 10th place. Then one problem sum. Shama bought 5 kg 300 gram apple and 3 kg 250 gram mangoes Sarla bought 4 kg 800 gram oranges and 4 kg 150 gram banana. Who bought more fruits? Now first we count the total kg of fruits Shyama bought. So we write statement like this: total fruits bought by Shyama. Here I write kg and here I write gram. After kg I put here point, and we know 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. So point after 3 digit. See here, point after 3 digit. Otherwise, if you don't know, then you may change 5 kg and 300 and write in. So here is 5.300. So 5 kg and 300 gram. Here 3 kg and 250 gram mangoes. So total food Shyama bought 0, 5, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8. So total food Shyama bought 8 kg 550 gram. Total fruit bought by Sarla kg and gram: 4 kg 800 gram oranges, 4 kg 150 gram bananas. Total it means 8. 0, 0 plus 5, 5, 8 plus 1, 9, 4 plus 4, 8. Total fruit bought by Sarla 8 kg 950 gram. And you will already find the Shyama bought total fruits 8 kg and 550 gram, and Sarla bought 950 grams. So Sarla bought more fruit than Shyama. Now start exercise 2.6. Find 0.05 into 7. Here point after 2 digits, so 5 upon 100 into 7. 7 5s are 35 upon 100. So decimal place after 2 digits, 1 and 2 means 0.35. Second, 211.02 into 4. Point after 2 digits, so we write here 100 into 4. 21102 multiplied by 4. 2 4s are 8, 2 zeros are 0, 2 4 4, 4 2s are 8. Here is 100. So we keep decimal after 2 digits. We count decimal here, right to left. Means 1 and 2, and then we point here. Keep our point here after 2 digits. In second, 156.1 into 100. Point after 1 digit. 1561 into 100. So here 0 0 cut. So here 15610 is our answer. 3.62 into 100. Point after 2 digits, so we write here 100, and here is 100. 0 0 cut, so 362. Here 0.5 into 0.05. Point after 1 digit, so 5 upon 10, and here point after 2 digits, so 5 upon 100. 5 5s are 25. 100 into 10 is equal to 1000. So 0.025,000 means our point will come after 3 digits, and here is only 2 digits. So here is 1 digit is missing, so we write here 0. So 0.025 is our answer. Then here 0.1 into 51.7. Point after 1 digit, so I will write here 10, 1 upon 10 into 51 1. Point after 1 visit, so we write here 10. 151 517 multiply by 1 means same digit 517. 10 into 10 is 100. Here is 100, it means our point will come after 2 digits. So here 5.17 is our answer. Students, this is your homework. It is greater, how much less is 28 kilometer and 42.6 kilometer. Find the value 2 into 0.8, 2.71 into 5, 1.3 into 10, 43.07 into 100, 11.2 into 0.15, 0.2 into 316.8. Find these values. Two problem sums. Find the area of rectangle whose length is 5.7 centimeter, breadth is 3 centimeter. A two-wheeler cover a distance of 55.3 kilometer in 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 10 liter petrol?